Now, after weeding, what are different methods of weeding? What we have learned, what is weeding? Weeding क्या होता है? Weeding is removal of unwanted plants which compete with the main plant for food, for nutrients, for water, for space. So there are different. Now, weeding is the method to remove them. So there are three methods of weeding. First method is chemical method. In chemical, as its name suggests, we use chemicals. Chemical method में we use chemicals like 2,4-D and metachlor to protect the field from disease. Now after chemical method, their second method is mechanical method. Mechanical method is removal of weeds with the manually using khurpi. Khurpi is a mechanical device and some sort of sickle shape knife is there, and we use them to root out the weeds. After first chemical, mechanical, the third method is biological method. Biological method, as its name suggests, we use biological agents, means we use insects to protect the weed, to protect the field from weeds. Now, how insect protect us from weeds? Because these are certain insects like Cochleia which feed on that particular weed, and we simply put these insects in the field and they simply eat the weeds. Now after weeding, next practice is protecting the crops from pest. अब crops are attacked by various agents. अब not only weeds are the simple plants, but other than weeds, the crops are also protected. Crops should also protected from pest. What are these agents? These agents are locusts, rodents and fungi. Now these agents can be categorized as pest, insects, fungi and rodents. So how can you control pest? How can you control insects? So to control the pest, we use the chemicals called pesticide. देखो बहुत सिंपल है इसे लर्न करना. पेस्ट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए पेस्टिसाइड्स, इंसेक्ट्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, फंजाई को कंट्रोल करने के लिए फंगिसाइड्स, रोडेंट्स मतलब रैट्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए रोडेंटिसाइड्स. नाउ इफ वी आर आस्क्ड टू डिफाइन पेस्टिसाइड्स, तो व्हाट आर पेस्टिसाइड्स? Pesticides are those chemicals which are used to control pest. For example, malathion. The chemicals which are used to control insect called insecticide. Again example, malathion. Those chemicals which are used to kill fungi called fungicides. Example, aggressan. And last, the chemicals which are used to kill rodents called rodenticides. Example, warfarin.